From high atop Healthcare Hill in Central Maryland, this is BSN Headline News. Today's top story is Andrea Mazzoccoli is elected to the 2012 American Academy of Nursing. In a press release dated May 18, 2012, the American Academy of Nursing announced its 2012 class of fellows, and Bon Secours' own Chief Nursing Officer Andrea Mazzoccoli was on that list. The American Academy of Nursing published that list in preparation of their 39th annual meeting and conference on October 13, 2012 in Washington, D.C. The 2012 cohort is composed of the nation's top nurse researchers, policymakers, scholars, executives, educators, and practitioners. According to Academy President Joanne Dish, selection for membership in the Academy is one of the most prestigious honors in the field of nursing. The Academy is composed of more than 1,800 nurse leaders in education, management, practice, policy, and research. Selection criteria include evidence of significant contributions to nursing and healthcare and sponsorship by 2 Academy Fellows. Applications are reviewed by a panel comprised of elected and appointed fellows, and selection is based in part on the extent to which nominees' nursing careers influence health policies and health and well-being of all. Invitation to fellowship is more than recognition of one's accomplishments within the nursing profession. Academy Fellows also have responsibility to contribute their time and energies to the Academy and to engage with other healthcare leaders outside the Academy in transforming America's healthcare system by enhancing the quality of health and nursing care, promoting healthy aging and human development across the life continuum, reducing health disparities and inequalities, shaping healthy behaviors and environments, integrating mental and physical health care, and strengthening the nursing and healthcare delivery system nationally and internationally. Now, this information is just out and Andrea could not be reached for comment on such short notice, so we will try to catch up with her for a later broadcast. In the meantime, please join us in congratulating Bon Secours Chief Nursing Officer Andrea Mazzoccoli, Ph.D. RN, in her latest accomplishment of being elected to the American Academy of Nursing as a 2012 Fellow. In other news, nurses. Do they care? You bet they do. But what does that mean to Bon Secours nurses? As part of our continuing series on nurses, advocating, leading, caring, we asked that question of Bon Secours nurses. We weren't surprised by their answers, and we will share them with you now.
Well, that's my favorite part.
Well, caring is the core of everything that we do as nurses.
Well, we definitely care at the bedside.
They do everything with caring in mind.
Caring really ties into the Catholic health ministry.
Part of our nursing professional practice model for all of BSN is Dr. Watson's theory of human caring, and it's at the center, surrounded by the patient, the family, and the communities.
A lot of what we do is we're using the phrases, and we're actually intentionally embedding phrases primarily from Watson.
And we're very intentional about how we embed it into the simulations so that the students really understand what it means to care.
To give good help to those in need, wherever that is, out in the community, our patients and clients, or even to our colleagues, to each other.
We care. We have to have a lot of, you have to be a caring person to be in this position.
As we wrap up this series on nurses and nursing, please join us in celebration of nurses everywhere who truly provide good help to those in need. Finally, Bon Secours St. Francis Health System announced the recipient of their 2012 Nursing Excellence Award, Amy Wilson, BSN RN. Amy's selection was based on her outstanding nursing leadership skills, commitment to the professional growth and development of her coworkers, fundraising for community organizations, and involvement in youth ministry at her church. She was also recognized for her participation on the shared governance and magnet engagement committees. Amy was among 17 nurses from throughout the Bon Secours St. Francis Health System nominated by their peers for this prestigious award. Amy, of course, took it all in stride and commented, "I could not have done anything without the support of everyone, from my peers to my CEO and CNO. May God bless you all." If you know of a nurse at your local system who recently received an award, let us know. We'll shout it out. Please join us in congratulating Amy Wilson for this prestigious recognition by her peers. Well, that's it for this week. Stay tuned to this portal for future up-to-the-minute information on these and other stories on BSN Headline News. I'm Dave Schlachter. Thanks for joining us. BSN Headline News is a production of Bon Secours Productions and is solely responsible for its content.